How to fix Omegle error connecting to server mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Omegle error connecting to server mobile. First of all, open up the web browser. After opening the browser, click on three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Site Settings. Go into third-party cookies from Site Settings. Choose the option Allow third-party cookies. Now go back to the site settings and click on Clipboard. Turn on the Clipboard option from here. Then close all the tabs. Now open up the web browser, click on three dots from the top right corner. From here, tap on History. You can clear browsing data from here. Tap on Clear Browsing Data and click on Clear Data to clear the history. Once you are done clearing the history, search omegle.com in your web browser. You can use the Omegle server on your mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.